CPA Seat Review. Hey my friend, this is Subhas here and I'm going to give you full depth review about new product launch called CPA Suite. So basically what is this product? So you can see inside I am in member area. So basically it is a brand new software to make daily passive income through CPA marketing without selling anything. So this system divided two part. One is training and one is software. And software inside you can give three different measure features. Number eight, you can find high converting CPA offer. Number two, you can create a funnel without using any click funnel, lead pages without using website, inbuilt funnel facility. And number three, you will get about you can search same product ad campaigns which people already running on Facebook and Google. So you can save all those insight from library. Okay, so you can see on here, just a minute. What you need to do, first of all, simply click on the link below if you're watching on YouTube, and you will come back on my this page. So this is my bonus page all about here. And what is this software? So this is complete CPA training software and training to make money online today, even if you are a complete newbie who never made any money. And CPA Suite is a complete done for you software plus training, CPA training. It is a complete system to step-by-step video training along with PDFs to guide, where we reveal the exact system used to us to build a passive income. And the over the shoulders video training done for you CPA softwares covered everything a newbie need to get start quick, scale the CPA earning of $15 $50 to $300 a day within a week. So this is really possible. Yeah, of course, without you don't need to sell anything. You need to just grab some offers, and where people submit some leads, some their email ID and name, and you will get paid. So let's jump on it and how this software work. So what you need to do, once you access this software, then you will get this kind of feature. So first of all, you need to create your campaign name. And before going to explain how this software does for you, I'll going to explain our bonuses, because my bonuses is much important than softwares. Okay, so my first bonuses is that all about 15 done for you money making CPA campaigns. So I was doing a CPA marketing from time ago, and I have tested so many products, so many offers, and which has converting well. So I'm going to give you full done for you campaigns where ad copy, ad graphical, ad text, and everything which I have used, and you will start making a lot of money through CPA marketing. Okay, so bonus number one is really important. You don't even need to miss out, and my bonuses is available on me, and no anyone can offer this kind of bonuses. Okay, and bonus number is two that you can see on here. Bonus number two, CPA project. So this is previous launch of a vendor product. So you will get this amazing software and course. So it is CPA. The CPA project is a step-by-step video training along with PDFs guide to where we reveal exact system used to build a passive income. So this is it is upgraded version of CPA marketing, and another CPA marketing course. So you will get everything. If you want to start your CPA marketing business, then I'll provide you 2 3 more extra courses completely for free. Okay, CPA is a completely done for your training method. Okay, step by step training method. And bonus number four is that being at CPA marketing training course. So if you know about, then being at one of the best traffic source for CPA marketing. If you are doing CPA marketing, then you go to choose Bing Ads, and your offer will converting really high. So because I was using CPA, I was using our I have been promoting a lot of product through Bing Ads. So you can promote your ads, you can promote any CPA ads through Bing Ads. Okay, so you will get completely training for free with this product. And bonus number is that bonus number five, you will get all vendor bonuses which you can to generate leads, sell, and everything. And bonus number six is that the most important. get approval to every CPA network. So when I was beginner, then I have facing a lot of problems because no anyone approved, no anyone want to approve me. But I have find our secret method. So you will get our complete exact text. You can copy and paste CPA network form. After then you will submit and you will get approval very easily. Okay, so this is all those my bonuses, and my bonuses will expire very soon. So before hitting come down timer and before hitting package 0, you need to click on this button and you will get redirect to the actual sales page. And the best part is that you will get $4 discount of this CPU suite if you are going to pick up right now. And the price is that all about just $17, and you can see just $5 less, then you will get around 11 $12 this product, and you will get this software. Also you will get my all bonuses for free. Okay, so let's jump on the members area, and I'll show you everything how this software work. So first of all, create your campaign. Like if you interested to uh, promoting weight loss product. Okay, weight loss. And also I have mentioned a demo video about this product. You can see, you can click the link below on, if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on my page, simply scroll down and you can see, click on here, and you can watch this video. Okay, this is 4-in-1 training program. So click the save, and next thing is that come by click the offer button, and here you can put like if you want to promote weight loss product, so you can type weight loss. Okay, and what network you want to promote, country you can see. Okay, like you can see this is really amazing software. So you can see weight loss product. It is of automatically select very good weight loss product. Okay, so what you need to do, like you can see, click on here, and then just a minute. And if you want to promote yoga, okay, yoga product, you can click the yoga. What you need to do, first of all, it is redirect to offer vault, where you can get offer detail and your payout and how much you're making. So what you need to do, click on run offer, and you will, first of all, you can join yoga CPA. Okay, here CPA leads, so a lot of offers available on here, so you can join. So no worry how you can join, you will get my all bonuses. Okay, you can get my bonuses about how you can get approval for every CPA network, so no worry. And next thing, what you need to do, just a minute. Once you search offer, then you can click on the offer library. Here is login, but you need to get approval. Okay, and you can see this is offer library. So payout is $30, natural anti-aging. So you can get offer details. And next thing, what you need to do, click on the funnel. Okay, because without funnel you cannot promote any affiliate, any CPA offer. So first of all, if you want to join, you can click the run offer and you can join it. Okay, and offer no preview. Okay, that is there on way. Just a minute. And after then, click on here, and you can create a landing page. How you can create landing page? If you want to collect leads, then you can do. And if you do not, let's just weight loss, click on the weight loss. Okay, that's very simple. Create HTML. So you can change, you can just say change headline, 1 2 lose what is the want to lose weight within 15 days, and also you can change the text and your email, and you can see on here, so you can change image, videos and everything. And you will also get a training video where they have explained how you can do properly everything. So I'm just giving a light demo on here. Okay, and then click this next. Just a minute. And here you can see your like your funnel name, weight loss one. Okay, Squarespace, yes. Also you can paste your, if you want to collect leads, you can paste your form JavaScript. Okay, here you can paste your form JavaScript and thank you page, and also you can paste on here your affiliate link. So that is really important. And before and after subscriber, and click the save button. Okay, click the save. So you can see your campaign has ready, and plus if you want to take action, select a campaign. Okay, beauty and a weight loss, recording a lot of campaign weight loss. So I have created weight loss. Click the save. Just a second, network issues. Okay, so next thing is that how you can find ads. So first of all, you can click the ad search button on here and put your keyword. Like if you are going to promote weight loss product, you can click on here, search, and you can see a lot of ads. So 10 top 10 weight loss diets. So click the save. Here they will it is save automatically, add text, copy and graphical like something, and you can check your ad library. Okay, so it is save on here. So I have I am giving given all details about how this software work and how you can, how it is work. Okay, so let's talk about pricing and upsells, because it is really important. So click on the link below if you're watching on YouTube, and come back on my this page. Also you will get a video. So bonus number upsell, this is all price is that the $17, still you will get $4 discount coupon code on here, $4 discount coupon code. And just minute, and you can see on here real result. You can see it is real result using this, and this is a vendor who created a product, Ram Rawat, and problem one, problem two. So you will take a lot your time to explore the page after before purchase. Okay, and OTO number one, upsell number one is that done for you campaigns, just 39 to 29. Done for you package to get started with next 5 minutes to including tested and proven work. Done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns. Done for you automated campaigns. Done for you CPA campaign. Done for you social media promo. Done for you email campaigns. Done for you engagement. Done for you Squarespace. Done for you stock image. Done for you image. So I highly recommend you should go with access this done for you package, because it is save you a lot of times. And if you do, if you and case study just $49 to just a downsell is that just $39. Case study copy and paste from 8 to our real life case study, each have made thousands of dollars, 100% done for you. And paste your own account, and you can show basically we will show exactly to scale your online income 0 to 2000, 200, 300 and 5000 $500 within our unique advanced training level method. So if you want, you can go with OTO number 2, and OTO number 3 is resell license. About this product, you will get 100% commission once you promote this product. And option number 4 is that 6-figure training. Team Black Belt provide you 6-figure training to how Instagram traffic, Google traffic, and product creation, and all those things about affiliate marketing. And option number 5 is that traffic software. Our 3 traffic software such additional traffic software to include rapid lead magnet, keyword, Twitter, and or option number 6 is that your I'm not recommending this. Okay, so option number 1, 2, and 1, 2 is important. Okay, 1, 2, front end 1, 2 is important. So good, if you like to CPM marketing, this is really important software. So front end OT number 1, 2 is really important. Still you want to buy, you can buy any other option. Also, you will get my all bonuses free of cost before after launch in just 12 hours. And once our bonus is hitting 0, then you will lose all our bonuses. So our highly recommend this recommendation, if you're serious to do CPM marketing, then you can access this program. Okay, so click on the link below and go to access now at early bird price. And if you facing any problem how you can access my bonuses, that is very simple for us. That is very simple. So you can see on here, I have mentioned already about once you access, then access your product. In the bottom blue button you will get access my product, where I have mentioned my doc file, where I have already put all bonuses access link. Also, if you getting any problem, just click the here hi button. Okay, and our team instantly reply you, and I will deliver your bonuses within just 10 minutes. Okay, so I hope you understand. Click the link below, click the red button below if you're watching on my pages, my bonus page, and if you're watching on YouTube, click the link description below and go to access now. And I hope it will make you will make a lot of money. Thank you so much. Talk soon.